Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Telstra Smart Modem to NBN box step by step. Start by placing the NBN box and Telstra Smart Modem near each other. Then connect the NBN lead from the wall to the NBN box WAN port. Attach an Ethernet cable from the NBN box to the Telstra Modem WAN port. Plug in power leads and switch on the NBN box first, then the modem. After physical connections, wait for the NBN box lights to stabilize and indicate link and sync, then power on the Telstra Smart Modem and watch for the Internet and WAN indicators to light. If the modem shows no WAN, reset the Ethernet cable, try a different LAN port on the NBN box, or power cycle both devices. These simple checks usually resolve common connectivity issues quickly and clearly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned. It pairs nicely with home networks for voice control and background music. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and pick one up if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Once connected, complete the Telstra modem setup by following the on-screen wizard to configure Wi-Fi name and password, set admin credentials, and check for firmware updates. Confirm the internet status in the modem dashboard and run a quick speed test to verify service. If prompted for service activation, follow your NBN provider prompts or call support. Save your new Wi-Fi details and reconnect devices as needed for a smooth transition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.